Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu ukusubscribe. So indaba eziphuma lapha eTanzania bafethu kuma digital platforms ukuthi uMayema njengoba ezojoina iSimba noma kuthiwa kune deal in place ukuthi ajoin iSimba, one of the biggest teams lapha eTanzania. Kuthiwa ke le team leyase Tanzania izobhadala isalary yakhe izobhadala 75% and then iMamelodi Sundowns ikhave 25% for unyaka wonke noma for isizini yonke uMayema lapha eTanzania. Bakhiphe nama figures nama salaries bafethu kuthiwa uNeo ke isalary yakhe is around 300 and something thousand lapha kuMamelodi Sundowns. I think mabakhuluma ngesalary bakhuluma ngepackaging yonke. Maybe kuMamelodi Sundowns uhola boma 200,000 and then kunama bonuses abaliwe kusho ukuthi nawo azoba in place yabo. For example asithi uNeo uhola 200,000 kuMamelodi Sundowns, iSimba izobhadala 150,000 salary and then iMamelodi Sundowns ibhadale 50,000 which is 25% of isalary yakhe yabo. So I think ingcono nyana ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns than ukuthi bamlone kuma teams waku PSL. Kuma teams waku PSL isikhathi esiningi iMamelodi Sundowns yiye kumele ibhadale full salary, but ke njengoba aya lapha ne team yase Tanzania naye ebetter in terms of ama financial muscles izokwazi ukubhadala i75% iMamelodi Sundowns ibhadale only 25%. So this is a good move for yena uMayema because isalary yakhe ayehli iyafana, just ukuthi nje ilokhu njana izobhadalwa uya kwenye team uya kwenye league uzokwazi ngempela ukuthola igame time ukuthi akwazi ukucompete ku African continent, njengoba sazi ukuthi le team le yase Tanzania nayo idlala kuma CAF competitions. Siyibonile na last season ifika kuma semifinals. So uNeo Mayema with the game time uzokwazi ngempela ukufunda about ibhola lase Africa, ifiziki yakhona ngoba uzothola more game time. Sikhumbule ukuthi uMamelodi Sundowns uNeo bafethu udlala ama match amaningi kakhulu, over 120 matches awadlalile yabo, nama contributions amaningi nama goal nama assist. So wadlalile ama match amaningi uMamelodi Sundowns, ine experience kakhulu ebholeni lase South Africa ku Betway Premiership, ebholeni la ku continental level, nangimanje uleader iBafana Bafana, captain lapha na kweBafana Bafana. Simbonile akora ama goal ay crucial kakhulu lapha na ku CHAN qualifiers, manje bodlala iCHAN competition bafethu na captain futhi yabo. Ama reports ayaqhubeka lapha bafethu athi uzojoina immediately after iCHAN mayiphela because kusho ukuthi ngeke abe part of iMamelodi Sundowns kule season lesiya kuyo. Let's wait and see sibone ukuthi ideal izo materialize because sometimes ama deal bayawavuma but a collapse ekugcineni yabona bafethu. So yeah, this is an exciting deal ukuthi ama players eSouth Africa amaningi aseyaphuma eSouth Africa akwazi ukuyodlala kwamanye ama African countries. Sikhumbuleke nabanye singababala nje abambalwa, lo wakuSikhukhune United lo wasuka Mokwana weBafana Bafana naye, nangu nomunye uMayo udlala lapha eNorth Africa, boThembi Nkosi Lodge bebale phezulu, baningi kakhulu khona noLakheyo lapha eEgypt. So baningi ama players eSouth Africa sewadlala kwamanye ama countries, sewaba more comfortable ukusuka ekhaya. I think baba inspired nabo Neo mababona boThembi Nkosi Lodge bahamba ku comfort zone yabo benza kahle kakhulu kwamanye ama countries. Simfisela inhlanhla umfethu ukuthi zonke izinto zihambe smooth lapha na. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike ni subscribe.